Ann Arbor block, the back wall. So there's no purging on the back wall for the first block. So there's some openings in the mortar joints, horizontally and vertically. Yep. The other scraper I had in here, but whatever. Okay. So some of the joints are open. And note the efflorescence, because you got some efflorescence on the inside. And here's that horizontal crack. Yep. And it goes that way. Yep. And then it kind of pops up right here. Yeah, sure does. So water can get into the block through any of these openings. And I don't know yet what you might still have possibly open down here. Night-night.